this video, we're gonna learn how to download Eagle game for your Android devices. To download the Eagle Stimulator game on Android is easy. First, make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet and then open up your Play Store. If you are using an iOS device, you can just follow this step since the process is similar. Go to the search box and type in Eagle Stimulator and search. Find the Eagle Stimulator game from the search result and tap on it. Now tap the install button to begin the download process. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you can easily tap on the play button and you'll be able to open up the Eagle game on your Android device. That is how you can easily download and play the Eagle Stimulator game on Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.